Welcome to your channel, Judgment Point. Today we're diving into the recent bombshell from Moody's. On May 16, 2025, Moody's downgraded the US government's credit rating from AAA to AA1. This makes Moody's the last of the three major credit rating agencies to lower the US's rating, following Standard & Poor's in 2011 and Fitch in 2023. So why did this happen? According to Moody's, it's due to successive U.S. administrations and Congress failing to agree on measures to reverse the trend of large annual fiscal deficits and growing interest costs. They project federal deficits to reach nearly 9% of the U.S. economy by 2035, up from 6.4% in 2024. The main drivers: increased interest payments on debt, rising entitlement spending, and relatively low revenue generation. Let's talk about the impact of extending the 2017 Trump tax cuts. Moody says that extending these cuts, a Republican priority, would add $4 trillion to the federal primary deficit over the next decade. That's a huge number, folks. Now, the White House has its own spin on this. Communications Director Stephen Chung dismissed the downgrade, criticizing Moody's economist Mark Zandi as a political opponent of Trump and questioning his credibility. Stephen Moore, a former Trump economic advisor, called the downgrade outrageous. Political gridlock is a major issue here. Republicans are against tax increases, and Democrats are hesitant to cut spending. Recently, House Republicans couldn't pass a package of tax breaks and spending cuts due to internal divisions and Democratic opposition. Despite President Trump's goal of balancing the budget and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent's aim to lower government funding costs, efforts to cut spending and raise revenue have fallen short. Attempts to raise revenue through tariffs have raised concerns about a trade war and global economic slowdown. The market reaction has been swift. The downgrade pushed Treasury bond yields higher, and analysts predict it could cause investors to hesitate when markets reopen. Tom DeGaloma of Mishler Financial expressed surprise at the downgrade, stating that markets were not expecting it. That's it for today's breakdown on Judgment Point. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay informed, folks.